AI capability is often discussed in three levels: narrow AI, general AI, and super AI. Understanding these distinctions helps you set realistic expectations about what AI can and cannot do for your business today. Narrow AI, also called weak AI, excels at specific well-defined tasks. Your spam filter, recommendation engine, voice assistant. Each solves one problem extremely well but cannot transfer knowledge to different problems. This is all AI today. Chess AI beats grandmasters but cannot play checkers without retraining. Translation AI handles languages but cannot recognize faces. ChatGPT processes language brilliantly but cannot drive cars. Each narrow AI is a specialist, not generalist. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, would match human intelligence across all domains. It could learn any task humans can learn and transfer knowledge between domains freely. Important truth: AGI does not exist yet, estimated decades away. Artificial superintelligence would exceed human intelligence in every dimension. This remains purely theoretical and speculative. Scientists debate whether it is even possible. Not relevant for any business planning horizon you should consider. For practical business purposes, focus entirely on narrow AI capabilities available today. Identify specific problems. Match specific AI solutions. Ignore AGI hype in vendor pitches. Solve real problems with real tools. All business AI today is narrow AI solving specific problems. General AI remains future possibility. Super AI is theoretical speculation. Plan your AI strategy around narrow AI capabilities that actually exist and work. You understand AI capability levels. Next video explores symbolic AI and expert systems, the traditional AI approach that still has important business applications today.